Oh, look who's back for more punishment. Today we are talking about recognition and offsetting. Sounds boring? It is. It is the accounting equivalent of watching paint dry, but the paint is made of acid and it burns your eyes. Here is the golden rule. Write it on your forehead. We are pessimists. If it is a deferred tax liability, you book it. Always. You do not pass. Go. You do not collect $200. You admit you owe the money immediately. But if it is a deferred tax asset, oh, suddenly we have trust issues. You can only recognize that asset if it is probable that you will have taxable profit to use it against. You have to prove to the auditor that you won't be a failure in the future. Good luck with that, and do not get me started on offsetting. You cannot just mash your assets and liabilities together to make the balance sheet look pretty. You need a legally enforceable right to set off current tax, and it has to be with the same tax authority. You cannot use a tax refund from France to pay a tax bill in Germany. They are different countries. If you net those incorrectly, I will report you to the SEC myself for being lazy. Disclosures. The part of the financial statements that nobody reads except auditors and people looking for a reason to sue you. You think you are done because you calculated the numbers? Ha! You wish. IAS 12 demands a full confession. You cannot just say, tax expense is 100 and walk away. No, you have to provide the tax rate reconciliation. This is the table where you explain why your accounting profit suggests you should pay $1 million in tax, but you are actually only paying $5. Are you a tax genius, or are you going behind the bars? The standard wants to know. It is like your spouse asking why the credit card bill is so high. You cannot just shrug and say, stuff. You have to list it. Honey, that was the non-deductible fines. That was the tax holiday. You have to show the movement of every temporary difference type. If I see a line item called sundry, that is bigger than your net income, I will flip this desk. Do not hide the bodies in the footnotes. The auditors will find them, and they will make it awkward.